Now, there are some areas which are, in my view, better than the others. Now, obviously, it does depend on your financial situation, what your goals are, and what are you actually trying to get out of your investment. That's very important. Now, if I talk about two areas today, hopefully they'll give you a bit of context when I'm referring to when I say there's going to be a good level of growth. There's predictions that Brisbane, by the end of next calendar year, will hit $1 million, I'll say it again, in median prices. Right now, you can still get some amazing house and land package deals for around the 750K mark in fairly decent areas with low vacancy rate and fairly decent rental yield as well. If you were to get into places like that, the property you're going to get built is probably going to finish building by mid next year, perhaps, right? And you're very much ripe into that growth phase where you should get a fairly significant amount of equity growth. Now, the second area I'm going to talk about is Adelaide. Adelaide sits in a very similar bracket where the median price predicted is going to be around the $1 million by end of next year as well. The good part about Adelaide is you can get some really good options over there for around the 650 to 700K mark. And the main reason for that is the land pricing is still low in Adelaide compared to Brisbane. The other good part about Adelaide is the rental yield is equal or at times better than what you would get in Brisbane. At the same time, the vacancy rate is equal or lower than what you get in Brisbane. There's always a lot of talk about what is the better options for you, or what area of Adelaide or what area of Brisbane is good for you. That will depend on what your goals are and what you want to achieve. And if you need to know more, please connect with us. Thanks.